Pat Batam. You say we're in roots, and when we talk about roots, you say Port Antonio, the roots of Jamaica, and we are in roots 21. Yes, and all the goodness happening in this place. Yes, and when you come to Port Antonio, you're gonna meet this man, and he's the manager and CEO, owner, and the man behind the scene of all the things that's happening inside Roots 21. You come to Pat Batam Kitchen, you have to stop by Roots 21. And here we go. This is the big man, right? And we're going to meet the man where control and responsible for all the goodness at Roots 21. How you doing, my boss? Well, it's a pleasure meeting you. And what's your name, brother? Peter Hall, and you're the man who's responsible for this great goodness in Port Antonio. Beautiful, and it's called Roots 21. So what I want you to do, I want you to tell the people where we can find this place. We're in Port Antonio.
Well, we are currently located in town, to the west of the town, that's West Palm Avenue, entering the town from Kingston and going through the town from St.
Beautiful. Alright, and I want you to tell us now, how long you been running this business?
Well,
Tell
I've
us.
been in the food business for quite a while.
Beautiful.
Quite a while.
Unknown
this
figure.
Venture is
Yes.
it's a new twist to Port Antonio food industry.
Beautiful.
And it has been doing its best.
Beautiful.
Introducing our regular food in a different twist.
Got you, brother. What I want you to tell the people, what you have that's different around this place in Port Antonio for our people that come. Let's tell the people what I want.
What I have different?
Yes, man.
It's a comfortable spot that we are parking.
Right.
It's decent food, as I said, roots doesn't mean the roots. Roots is our original food.
Yes.
That we do and use like our regular pumpkin taka, roti.
Beautiful.
We just do our thing.
Beautiful.
The most natural.
Beautiful. A lot of time I pass here and I smell some food that I never smelled before. I passed by and I said, yo, what's going on in that place? And you check it out. But it's all about the roots. All about the roots. All about the heritage. And the bedroom your heritage is from an Indian thing.
Well, both sides.
Both sides.
Indian side and the Rasta side.
Rasta side and you have the tell me about it.
So,
all right.
So for that now, we get because I'm the one that create my menu one.
Beautiful.
Put the taste to it.
Beautiful.
So I get the curry and the goodness from an Indian side.
Beautiful.
And then we get the coconutty. We ferment it from the Rasta side.
Talk to them. The coconutty. I never heard that terminology before. Pretty unique. And that's why we come about and we have Roots 21. So 21, what I want you to tell the people how you open, what your time schedule is like. Tell the people what's going on.
We don't do breakfast. We do lunches. We open from 12 and we work with the curfew.
Beautiful.
As in, we have to make sure our staff and our guests reach home on time.
Beautiful.
So based on the curfew, our closing hours are based on that.
Beautiful. So you deal with all the COVID-19 protocol that really the government set out, and that's unique. I appreciate that. And that's what's happening when we say Pat Batam Kitchen. We go by rules and regulation. Okay, beautiful. When we come onto food, people got to be in a comfortable area, and you got to come by Roots. What time you open for dinner? Or for lunch?
As I said, we are open from 12 until the closing time based on the curfew.
Beautiful. All right.
If it's a 10 o'clock curfew, we close off at 9. And if it's a 7 o'clock curfew, we close off at 6.
Beautiful. And it's a 7-day thing or you have
7 days a week.
7 days a week. Oh, that's going to stretch everybody off the feet. So if you have a 6-day working schedule and 7-day you can be here.
Yes, I'm a punctual person always at work.
Beautiful.
And I have to applaud on my staff.
Pick up your staff.
Loyal.
Beautiful.
And very hardworking. And when you find staff voluntarily give you the holidays, I really appreciate that.
Man, that's awesome.
Give back.
That means you're telling me that you're one of the greatest managers ever.
Well, it's COVID and I'm hiring. It's COVID. We're dropping and I'm hiring. Beautiful. And you know what? I appreciate what's happening in my parish. This is my parish of Portland. And listen, this is one of the young entrepreneurs that are taking the thing to another level. And guess what happened? We are in Roots 21 and you hear it from the big man. The place to go, the place to be when you come to Port Antonio and throughout the world. You click Pat Batam Kitchen, you find Roots 21. You can't miss it. You can't. There's anybody you want to pick up outside? Tell me, man. Anybody else you want to pick up for the new year? have to big up entire Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
And Portland is my beautiful part that I love.
Yes, sir.
And I'm not to treat Portland for anywhere else. I have a
Wonderful.
wonderful family and a wonderful staff and it's always good.
Beautiful, beautiful. When you hear mine, to talk about in staff, because you know what? Portland, we're full of hospitality and class, and that's what we have here. Beautiful. It's good to meet you, my brother. And you know what? Your thing gonna be out there, and I like the way you put it together. You incorporate all your happenings, and guess what happened? It's gonna be Roots 21 as from today, throughout the world. All right? As we say, Pot Bottom Kitchen, taking it to you again. All right? It's a blessed day. All right? Good to meet you, my brother, and thanks again.